Hi family, we're going to take you on a quick tour of our Reno hotel. Willow wanted you guys to know that the bathtub was spectacular and that pool tasted delicious. 10 out of 10, would order it again. Now, when we travel, because we take our home with us, have bedrooms, kitchen, all of our stuff, we have just a little different expectation in our travel. But I'm going to let Barbie tell you a little more about that.
As promised, it's Barbie. Come take a quick tour of the room. We're staying at the Worldmark in Reno. As vacation club owners, we have the convenience of properties that offer studios to 4 bedrooms with full amenities all across the country. This allows us to have a home away from home when needed. This trip, we're in a 1-bedroom with a Murphy bed, and of course, Willow will just leave whatever she runs on empty and decides to lay down. The resort also offers us full recreational options with the sitting area to just relax, the game room where we could play foosball or pool, a fitness center, and a pool available for us to continue and share our adventures with our loved ones.